So how do you see yesterday's incident of the Indigo flight where we saw a lot of turbulence?
You see, after seeing the pictures of the radome that was damaged, uh, it was, yes, for general public it was scary moment, but for aviation experts, the flyers, this was not very extraordinary. They are trained for it. They are trained to undergo such situations, और aircraft risk mitigation पे वो trained होते हैं to safely maneuver the aircraft and then land the aircraft in such situations.
So, how important is the nose part, which we saw it was damaged totally, and yet the flight landed safely?
जो नोज़ होता है उसको हम रेडोम कहते हैं. दैट इज़ मेड ऑफ कंपोजिट मटेरियल्स विच आर सॉफ्ट मटेरियल्स. उसके अंदर आपका वेदर रडार भी होता है एंड यू हैव लाइटनिंग अरेस्टर स्ट्रिप्स दैट एब्जॉर्ब द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ लाइटनिंग. और इस केस में जो उसका रडार, उसका रेडोम जो थोड़ा सा डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ है, दैट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइटनिंग इटसेल्फ. और स्ट्रिप्स ने काम किया है और थोड़ा सा वो डैमेज हुआ है. And this was nothing out of, I would say this was not something extraordinary. But the most important part in this incident was the aircraft structure, basic structure did not get damaged. There was no damage to the aircraft structure and the controls. That's how the pilot was very good in maneuvering the aircraft and landing it very safely at Srinagar.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, sir. So, the patience, the courage, and the skill combined to safeguard the passengers who were on board this Indigo flight that landed yesterday in Srinagar. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Ajay Thakur for India Today from New Delhi.